In this quick fix, I'm going to show you how to replace the switch in a Milwaukee 0240-20 corded drill. The switch is located behind this cover, so we'll start by removing the cover. Now I'll slide the switch away from the drill. What may be the most important part of any switch replacement is making note of where all the wires attach to the switch. So I'll just write down the locations of each wire before we go any farther. Okay, I finished noting the locations of the wires, and now I'll go ahead and begin removing wires from the switch. The wires are held to the switch in 3 different ways. Some of them are held in with little Allen screws, others are trap door style wires, and the others are wires held in place with the little tabs. I'll start with these cord wires that are held in place with the Allen screws. I just loosen the screws and pull the wires away from the switch. Now I'll move on to the trap door style wires. For these, I take a pick and insert them in next to the wire. That releases the wire so I can pull it away from the switch. These can be a little tricky. Last, I'll remove the wires held in place with the tabs. Now I'll reinstall the new switch, using the notes that I made as a guide as to where the wires go. With all of the wires reinstalled on the switch, now I can slide the switch back into the handle and take care of the wires in the housing. I want to make sure that the wires fit down behind these tabs so that they don't get pinched when I put the back cover on. Now I'll just realign the strain relief and reinstall the rear cover.